Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here the Phantom SL from 2R Designs. It is a slider and it is new and it is in titanium. And we shall check it out. I'm pretty excited. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's more tape, huh? Ah. Okay. That's cute. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, how nice. They included some candy. Along with a piece of paper. It says, I'm not going to read it. I'm not going to show it because it shows my address, but it says, "Thank you for your support and business. Happy sliding, Rick and Tony Marie." Okay, another one. Boop. Do 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 do. Ooh. Serial number 5. T-I-T-I. I just like to tap it like a bird. We got some stuffs, some foam. Man, this is a lot of foam. This is some thick foam. And your tool. And now for the moment of truth. Some more foam. Oh yeah, look at that. There's nothing else in there? Nope. That is cool looking. Oh, those wavy machine lines. It is definitely a neat looking slider. Whoop. It's a little heavy for titanium. Let's see, let's bring out the foam piece. Let's get the weight. Such interesting looking plates. It weighs 86 grams. It's a little heavy for titanium. On the website, these are all sold out right now, though. At the moment, I just checked. It's comfortable to hold. Ow! It just rolled my skin. That was not cool. Ugh. I don't know how that happened. I have other sliders by them, but let's get some other stats first. Whoa! 48 millimeters by about this one's tough. 28 and a half. Yeah, by about 28 and a half by 20. These are the other sliders that I have by them, by 2R Designs. This one's brass with PEI plates. Where's the copper? Yeah, copper. Copper with PEI plates. And then this one's titanium. With brass plates. I like these. I love these guys. Ouch! That one pinched me bad. Okay, so that one was a bit pinchy, but this one is a little bit pinchy too, just a little bit. So I guess we should open it up. Let's bring out the metal bar. Metal bar. Come on, get over here. Let's see what the inside is like. If I take off the foam, is it going to be crunchy? What is up with this screw? It does not want to go down. Okay, I'll put it in the other spot. Okay, these screws do not like to be screwed in. Come on. It's this last one. You know, what the hell? Okay, they don't want to be flush at all. They don't want to go down. See how they are like in? This one won't go down. This one won't go down either. Why? Alright, hang on one second. Okay, so it kind of looks like the foam is necessary. For the screws to actually go back and not be like poking out. Because like I spent so much time trying to get those screws in and to not be poking out, but like without having the foam in, and yeah, it was impossible without the foam. So I don't know, I guess you can't have it be crunchy. Yeah. And it's still like one of the screws is still kind of like out a little bit. So I guess open this slider at your own risk. Yeah. I guess you don't really, whoa, I guess you don't really need to open it anyways. Yeah, it's a pretty cool slider. It's got some, oh my god. Loud. Strong clicks. I guess we can compare it to a wrapped nice quiet wrapped. Is a thick boy. It's about the same here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Steel plates seem like they need to be broken in a little bit, but not really. Not much. I mean, they seem like when they are broken in, it will be pretty slick. Like pretty hot damn. Kind of reminds me of a car body for some reason. Alright, well, I think, whoa. I think that's about it. It is a pretty slick, sweet slider. Yeah. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna try to get one? Although the website is currently sold out. I don't know how long it will be sold out. Maybe they'll be making more. Who knows? But what is your opinion on this slider that I keep dropping? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe. It really helps. And I will see you guys in the next one. Be awesome and have an awesome time. And yeah. Have a great one, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.